Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up a very pretty and delicious Christmas cake, and it's so simple. Wanted to share this with y'all. That way if you don't have your ingredients, you can run out to the store and make you one of these up, and they're eye-catching. They're pretty. They're very pretty. But as you can see, I just made a regular old white cake. Use your directions on the back of your box for that, and just get that baked up. It's been sitting there for about maybe 10 minutes, and just get you something round. Like me, I'm using the tip of my spoon here. You can do like a smaller little wooden handle spoon or straw, anything. Skewers, something. But if you're using the skewers, I would just kind of, you know, make the hole a little bit bigger once you put it in there. But what I'm going to do here is just poke several holes in this, spacing at least an inch or so apart, because you don't want those colors running together. That wouldn't look pretty, okay? And what I'm going to continue doing that. I'll probably get 40 to 50 little holes there. You're going to need 2 boxes of the 3-ounce boxes of the cherry and lime Jell-O, some sprinkles, some Christmas sprinkles. Now you can use a measuring cup with a pouring spout for your Jell-O, which is we're going to put in those little holes. Or I have these little things that I'll put it in. It just makes it much easier. And some Cool Whip. And that's it. So I'm going to continue poking some holes in these, and then we'll get our Jell-O mixed up. But meanwhile, get you 2 cups of hot water. Get that going, because you're going to be putting 1 cup in each box of your Jell-O till it's dissolved. And then we'll get it poured into those spouts. But I'm going to continue putting these holes here, space them out, and we'll be back. Okay, I got all my holes poked into my cake. Now we're going to get our Jell-O. We have our lime and our cherry. Now you could do raspberry, you could do strawberry, something red, pretty Christmas colors. And I just got some hot water here, 1 cup in each. And we're going to get these dissolved. Stir them up really good. That's what I'm going to do till all that gelatin is dissolved. Okay, I got my gelatin all mixed up, mixed it up in the bowls. I put it in my little measuring cup and poured it into my bottle. Now you can definitely just use your measuring cup to pour in there, but these are just easier for me. So now what you want to do is space them out. Go in with your green, skipping every other one. Like right here. Here's my first green. Then I'll skip this one and go to the next one. And just kind of space them all out, because you don't want to do them in a row and then you run out of green. So spread your green out, but skipping every other one for your red, because you want to make sure you have enough everywhere. And this cake is going to go in the fridge. In a minute. I'm spilling this. For several hours, because you want this Jell-O the cake to suck up this Jell-O. So it's going to go in the cake for several hours. Overnight, better. Then we'll get our Cool Whip topping on it. So if you got your Cool Whip in the freezer, get it out and get it defrosted, or you can make your own cream for this if you'd like. But I'm going to continue doing this. I'm going to get some green and some red, finish it up here. Okay, just that easy. Doesn't it already look pretty? But we're going to get it in the fridge. It's already partially cooled down. Get some saran wrap over it. Good 4 hours or overnight. Then we'll get our topping on it. Alrighty. This has been chilling for probably a good 5 hours. Now we're going to go ahead and put our Cool Whip on it. Now, there's no right or wrong amount. You put much as you want. Mine is 8 ounces. Everything you need for this will be in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all spread out all over the cake here, and we'll get some sprinkles on there. Okay, I got my Cool Whip on there. You put whatever you want on this cake. But we're going to do our Christmas sprinkles here. And I'm going to put this back into the refrigerator. And I'll leave this in there probably another hour or so before we cut it. Just let that Cool Whip firm up a little bit more. And that's about it. I'm gonna finish with these sprinkles here. Get it chilled really well, and we'll give it a taste and we'll get it cut up. Lots of sprinkles. It just looks pretty. Okay, everyone, there is the pretty, beautiful Christmas cake. Ain't those pretty? But you notice I got 2 plates out. We have a surprise guest on Cooking with Donna, and I think a lot of y'all know who it is. But he don't want to show his face. So those of you know my Curtis.
The better half of Cooking with Donna.
The better half of Cooking with Donna. I have my baby home. He got here last night, and he'll be here for a while. But I told him this is perfect because last time y'all he didn't get on with me because he was so busy. But I told him, you're going to taste this cake with me. Say hello to them, Curtis.
Well, I'm back. Better than ever.
Here for a little while. And I'm coughing up a storm and sick. But got to do what I got to do. All of us mamas. Like right now, I got him a pot of beans cooking.
Oh, yeah.
He likes his refried beans and tortillas and chile, so...
Got some tamales this morning. My mom's been trying to get me fat.
Made him some tamales, yeah. And going to make all of his favorite foods up. And he's anxious to try the cake. Poor baby, hasn't had no home cooking, what, Curtis?
7, 8 months?
For 7, 8 months, the last time he was here. But I'm glad you got to get on here with me, son. I'm glad to have you back. He's got his fork ready to dive in.
Go.
Let's go. Oh, and I did put a little bit of M&Ms on it. And you'll taste that lime and that cherry Jell-O. Isn't that pretty? The kids love it. Ain't that good?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go ahead and just...
That's good. Look at that.
I'm getting these back.
Oh, you're taking my piece too?
I'm taking both of these.
Oh, very funny. Yeah, but that's really good. But I want to wish all of you a very happy, blessed, Merry Christmas. You know, always be there for one another. And if you make a big dinner, as I always say, if you got a lot left, some leftovers to spare, share it for the ones that are in need that you know. You know they're going to truly appreciate that meal, and that'll make their day. And it'll make you feel a whole lot better as well, you know. Look at Curtis. He's just... Dive in, son. Just eat up. Mm-hmm. But there it is. You guys, like I said, have a Merry Christmas. Love one another. Stay blessed. Until next time, we will see y'all later. Curtis, you want to say anything? Until next time, or?
Until next time?
He's kind of...
I lost my touch with the videos, guys. I'm sorry.
He lost his touch. And for those you don't know, he's military, so he's home for a visit. So, anyways... We will see you all later. Love one another. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all later.